We're going to take a look at our drum vac. This is going to be the most heavy-duty drum vac you'll find on the market. All made in the USA, 55-gallon capacity, has a heavy-duty cart system with onboard tool management. This cart's very unique and it's going to allow you to wheel this around even when the drum is full. Remember, a full drum could weigh 500 or 600 pounds. You're going to be able to transport this safely and empty it safely. No heavy lifting to get the drum off. You have a lip on there that allows you to take it off. You can even put forks underneath here and lift this up with a forklift if you want to bring it to a level where you need to get the drum off onto a skid so you can equal the level. This is a system that has 2 motors or 3 motors available for it. Allows you to run it either off of 120 or 230 versions for 50 or 60 cycles. So we have all the options available. You can even do an air powered if you like. Comes with all the filtration you need for both wet and dry material, so it makes it true universal. And with the onboard tool storage, you'll see we have a 2-inch 15-foot hose. We have a 2-inch one and a 2-inch floor tool with adjustable wheels, and all of that's going to fit on board here easily for you to maneuver in place. To service this, you have 2 easy clamps to remove. And there is a ground. This is a fully grounded system, so you're going to just detach the ground, and then you can lift off the motor deck. You see the motor deck has your float system with your screen built in. The screen is going to protect you from water vapors and moisture. When you're using it for dry, there's a secondary filter in here for dry material with a Dacron filter bag. So the Dacron filter bag is going to help ultrafine dust cake fall off before getting into the primary filter and then goes up through the motor deck. Other than that, you just have an adapter ring that allows you to put the motor deck on, and there's the drum. So you can put this on any 55-gallon drum. If you want to load drum after drum after drum, you can do that as well. And then with our heavy-duty cart, it allows you to roll it around even if the drum is a couple hundred pounds when it's full. It's been a review of our heavy-duty drum vac by Goodway.